Welcome to the Center of Harmony. Thank you for considering the Opera Hall for your wedding, baby shower, family party, or business meeting. To access the hall, you'll need to enter the 4-digit code that you've been provided with prior to your event. Just punch it in and the doorknob should open up. Please be aware that this is an automatic locking doorknob and will lock within 30 seconds after you've accessed. To leave the door open and to disable the automatic unlock function, turn the knob upwards. This will keep the door open during your event. Please remember to turn it to the side upon leaving to lock the door. There is a light switch immediately to your right to illuminate the stairs to access the hall. The hardwood and natural light in the Opera Hall provides a warm and intimate setting. You'll notice the stage from 1875 has been salvaged to preserve some of the history and tradition of this unique building. The stage also provides an elevated and visible platform from which to have your wedding ceremony or speak to a large group of people. In the back of the hall, you'll find the restrooms and supply closets. In the supply closet on the left, you'll find the tables and chairs. There are 2 new bathrooms that are ADA compliant, and there is a baby changing station available. In the supply closet, you'll find tables and chairs that will seat about 90. That is included with your rental. There are smaller side tables and larger banquet tables for seating and eating. The dimensions of the hall are 74 feet by 40 feet, which provides great floor space for a variety of activities. The front entrance is one of 3 entrances to the hall. There is a double-sided staircase and is a grand entrance for your guests to enjoy. The front staircase is not only a scenic entrance, but also a wonderful spot for photos. The natural hardwood floors and acoustic tile ceiling provide great and warm sound for any event. There is a thermostat located on either side of the back wall where you can adjust the temperature for your comfort. Once your event is over, please remember to turn the knob on the doorknob on the inside to the right to make sure that the lock is engaged. Check it before you leave. And remember to leave enough time to explore Harmony, the different shops, restaurants, and attractions that are here in town. Thank you again for considering the Center of Harmony in the Historic Opera Hall for your party, event, or wedding. If you'd like more information on the activities and events going on, please check our website out at thecenterofharmony.com.